Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will guide you how to crochet a super simple laurel wreath, suitable for beginners. It only took me about 10 to 15 minutes to do it. So simple. Now let's do it together. We will do the main laurel wreath part. First, you prepare this keychain. I will remove the chain part below and keep only the circle. Then we use green yarn and create a slip knot. Then I insert the hook into the circle and pull this slip knot through. We chain 2. Now, we do 30 double crochet stitches in the circle. I have completed the first double crochet. I will use a marker to mark this first double crochet. We will continue to do the remaining 29 double crochet stitches. Here we got 30 double crochet stitches. Next, we make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Then we chain 1 and cut yarn. Then we insert the hook into the slip stitch. We just finished crocheting. And pull the white yarn through. We chain 1. Now in the first stitch, we do 1 single crochet. I will use a marker to mark this first single crochet. Next, we will repeat one pattern a total of 9 times. I will do the first iteration. In the next first stitch, we do 5 double crochet stitches in same stitch. So that's 5 double crochet stitches in same stitch. Then we skip the second stitch and make 1 single crochet in the third stitch. So we have completed the first iteration. We need to do this pattern 8 more times. Now I will continue the example for you with the second iteration. In the next first stitch, we also do 5 double crochet stitches in same stitch. Here we have 5 double crochets in same stitch. Continuing, we skip second stitch. And do 1 single crochet in the third stitch. So we have completed the second iteration. Here we can cut 2 tails. Next, you need to do this pattern 7 more times. I will see you again after you complete the 9th iteration, which is the final iteration. Here I have completed the 9th iteration. Now we have the last 2 stitches. In the first stitch, I will make 5 double crochets in same stitch. So that's 5 double crochets in same stitch. And in the second stitch, we don't need to do anything. We will do a slip stitch into this marked first single crochet. Then chain 1 and cut yarn. We use a yarn needle to hide the tail. Next we will crochet the bow. We use red yarn and make a magic ring. Then we chain 3. We do 4 double crochets in the magic ring. Next chain 3. And we make a slip stitch in the magic ring. Continue chain 3. Then we do 4 double crochet in the magic ring. And we chain 3. Finally, we make a slip stitch in the magic ring. Then we cut yarn. We pull the yarn to close the magic ring. Now we will use these 2 tails to tie in the middle of this red yarn section. I'm going to finish this wreath. I'm going to take the chain I used before and remove the little ring. Then I'm going to use it to attach a little bell. You can attach it or not. Then I'll use red yarn and sew the dashed lines from round 1. Each line will be equal to 3 double crochets. You can see how I do it on the screen. After finishing sewing, we tie the 2 yarn strands together and hide the tail. Finally, I will glue a bow on the wreath. Here I will attach a keychain to the wreath. You can use any type of keychain you have.